when you are creating a bug, you need to choose the assign to field. This is assign to field. For assigning defect to the developer, right? You won't keep on your name, right? Say for example, here developer is, let's say for example, Venkatesh. Venkatesh is my developer. So now here I will write the reproducible steps, how to reproduce that particular issue. So here you will say open access mutualfund.com website, and click on login button, right? Steps to replace. Then enter valid and number. You write test data here in the brackets. Number in and number box. Right? And number text box. What should happen? Click on generate OTP. You will receive a OTP. Now enter valid OTP in OTP text box. Now login button will be enabled. Click on login button. These are the steps. Now what is actual value? What you are expecting? Expected value. For requirement, what is the expected value? User should be able to log in successfully. User should be able to log in successfully. What is happening? User is not able to log in. Then you take the screenshot and put it here. User is not able to log in. Nothing is happening. Understand? So now, what is the severity and priority of this problem? What is the severity? Severity field. What is the impact? What is the impact of this bug? Is it medium, high, medium, low, critical? Tell me. Critical. I am putting critical. Why critical? This is the main functional. If user is not able to log in, what he will do? There is no use of the website, right? So critical means immediately they have to fix it. Okay. Critical means immediately they have to fix it. Priority means business point of view, how soon this has to be fixed. This is functional point of view. What is the severity? What is the impact on the application? Priority is business point of view. Business point of view. Okay. How soon this has to be go? It has to be business point of view also. It has to fix immediately. So I'm putting one. This is interview question. They will ask, what is the difference between severity and priority? Okay. Now system info. Okay, you tested in Windows 11, Chrome browser. Again, developer will say, hey, I tested in the Chrome browser, it's working for me. Then you need to mention the version also. Which version of the Chrome browser you are using. Understand? So, developer will follow the same steps. Let's say he is testing in Internet Explorer. For him, it's working. Okay, if you are testing in Chrome, it's not working. Then it's a browser issue. Right? But still he has to fix it. You need to mention all those details in the system info. Right? You understand? This you don't need to worry. This the devil lead they will enter how long it will take to fix this issue, original estimate, and remaining how much time they spend it. Original estimate, let's say 4 hours. If they started working 2 hours, let's say remaining hours will be there. You don't need to worry about this. Now save. We have the bug number? No. We don't enter the bug number anywhere. When we click save, tool will generate. See? 60. Now email will go to him. Now email will go to this one. This guy. He is the developer. Understand? It will send the notification. Here now there are Govind. Office lo unna Govind, session lo unna. Yeah, when I sorry. You understand now what is defect? What are the first interview question is what is defect? What are all the fields you will enter while creating the defect? That is the first interview question. Second interview question is what is the difference between priority and severity? That is second interview question. Understand? So now tell me what are the fields we will enter while creating the defect? This is the first interview question. Right?
Yes, yes.
Just tell me what is defect? What is the meaning of defect?
Defect is a bug, sir.
Yeah, bug.
Yeah, we will check the priority and severity of that bug.
No. That is a different story. After while creating the bug, you will enter the priority severity. First of all, what is bug?
Who is the developer? We will check that.
That's
For
fine.
that.
We'll check it. But what is definition of bug? So it is a abnormal behavior. Something is not working as per the requirement document.
Okay.
Understand? So let's say
Yes.
like they mentioned if you enter wrong PAN number, it has to show please enter valid PAN number. That is what there. How do you know it should work this way? It's mentioned in the requirement. So
Yes.
requirement is the main thing for developer or tester. Okay. So if they mention they don't mention that, we should not expect that. They don't mention that please enter a valid PAN number. If you enter wrong PAN number, they did not mention in the user story. Then if you go and create a defect, developer will reject the defect. He says it's not mentioned in the user story. He will develop based on the requirement only, right? Requirement means here as a user story. So defect is a abnormal behavior of the system. Whenever we are testing it in web application or desktop.
Yeah, it changes the total requirement.
Which is not working as per the specification.
Yes.
Right? As per the specification. Right? So what are the fields you will enter? Create a defect. What are the fields you will enter to create a defect?
Just now we discussed that severity, priority.
Else.
And who is the developer?
No. See, always you need to remember when I ask defect, you need to remember that window. What is the first field in that window? Tell me. The defect window. What is the first field? If you remember that, you never forgot. We don't need to by heart. We open some window, right? You're creating a defect, right? What is the first field? What you will enter?
Login.
Required field. Huh?
Yeah, login details, PAN number, like that. We discuss on that.
No. That details are fine. But in the defect window, what are the fields you will enter? Defect title. First thing. First thing is title of the defect. Second thing is assigned to. You are assigned to some developer, right? Assigned to. Third one is reproducible steps. Repro steps. Fourth one is VRT. Fifth one is RT. That is CVRT, right? Then system environment. System environment. Right? Screenshot. These are all the fields you will enter. Again, is it limited to these fields? No, it depends upon the project to project. They can add the fields from the backend. In my project, we have so many other fields like build number. Which will you find the issue? Environment, in which environment? Okay, environment. In which environment? In which environment you found the issue? In integration testing or system SIT or STG, like this.